Dear student, today's topic is exercise 3.3 understanding quadrilateral. This is the last part of exercise 3.3. Question number 7. This is the figure given in your book. It is page number 51. So everyone take out your book and see this figure. This figure is given here. HOPE is a parallelogram and this is 40 degree, it is 70 degree. These two angles are given. Find the value of x, y and z. So here linear pair, which two angle? POH and POH and POA are the linear pair. Sum of these two angles is 180 degree. So POH plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. So angle POH, that means this angle equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree, that is equal to 110 degree. So this angle is equal to 110, and these two angles are opposite angles of a parallelogram. So it is 110 means x is also 110 degree. It is written here. Angle HEP equal to HPOH. Opposite angles of the parallelogram are equal. So x equal to 110 degree. Now these two angle AOPH, that means y equal to 40 degree. These two angle are interior alternate angle. So y equal to 40 degree. And these two angles are corresponding angle. That means EHO is equal to POA. These two angles, this angle and this angle are corresponding angle because EH parallel PO and HA transversal. So these two angles are equal, and this angle is equal to 40 plus Z. So 40 plus Z equal to 70 degree. Here 40 plus Z equal to 70 degree. So Z equal to 70 minus 40 equal to 30 degree. So Z equal to 30 degree. Next, question number 8. In the given figure, GUNS is a parallelogram. So GUNS is a parallelogram. That means opposite sides are equal. GU equal to SN and GS equal to UN. So opposite sides of the parallelogram are equal. So UG equal to SN and UG equal to also given 3y minus 1. So 3y minus 1 equal to 26. So here it is written. So 3y equal to 26 plus 1 27. So y equal to 27 minus divided by 3 equal to 9. So y equal to 9. And also opposite sides are equal. So 3x equal to 18. So x equal to 6. Next, question number 8, Roman 2. In the given figure, RUNS is a parallelogram, and we know that diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Here the two diagonal RN and SU intersect at the point O. Since diagonal of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore OR equal to ON and OU equal to OS. So OU equal to OS and length of OU given in the figure y plus 7 and length of OS equal to 20. So y plus 70 equal to 20. So y equal to 20 minus 7. So y equal to 13. And ON equal to OR. So x plus y equal to 16. So x plus y equal to 16 and y equal to 13 from here. So x plus 13 equal to 16. So x equal to 3. Next, question number 9. This is the figure given. Here RISK is a parallelogram and CLUE is also a parallelogram. And these two angles are given. This angle equal to 120 degree and this angle equal to 70 degree. Find the value of x. The process is, this is a parallelogram. RISK is a parallelogram. So these two angles, sum of these two angles is adjacent angle of a parallelogram or co-interior angle. So this angle plus this angle equal to 180 degree. So here it is written R KS this angle plus ISK this angle equal to 180 degree. So 120, this is 120. So RKS equal to 120 degree plus angle ISK equal to 180 degree. Therefore angle ISK equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree, that is equal to 60 degree, and ISK equal to angle ISK, this angle is equal to OSE equal to 60 degree, this angle OSE 60 degree, it is 1. Now from the parallelogram CLUE, so these two angles, this angle and this angle, are opposite angles of the parallelogram. So this angle is equal to, that means CEU equal to CLU equal to 70 degree. That means here CEU equal to CLU, so CUE equal to 70 degree. So CEU equal to 70 degree, and this angle is equal to OES equal to 70 degree. Here it is written. Now from this triangle OES, these two angles are known and it is x degree, and we know that sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. So x plus 70 plus 120 equal to 180 degree here. So x plus 60, it is 60 degree. So x plus 60 degree plus 70 degree, it is 60 degree, it is 60 degree, not 120 degree. 60 degree and it is 70 degree. So x plus 60 degree plus 70 degree equal to 180 degree. So x equal to 180 minus sum of these two numbers 60 plus 70 equal to 130. So it is x equal to 50 degree. Now question number 10. Here KLM plus KMN equal to 180 degree plus 100 degree. This is the figure given. KLMN is the quadrilateral, and these two information are given. This angle is 80 degree and this angle is 100 degree. So that this figure is a parallelogram. This figure is a trapezium. This figure is a trapezium. Now these two angles, sum of these two angles is 180 degree, and these two angles are co-interior angle. Since the sum of the two co-interior angle is 180 degree, therefore these two lines are parallel. So here KLM plus LMN equal to 180 degree, sum of these two angles. But angle KLM and angle LMN are co-interior angle formed by the line KL and MN, with the transversal ML. Therefore these two lines are parallel. So since these two lines are parallel, therefore it is a trapezium. Question number 11. In the given figure AB parallel CD, these two lines are parallel, it is given, and this angle is 120 degree. Find the angle of measurements of the angle C. So since these two lines are parallel, this is the transversal. So sum of these two angles is 180 degree, co-interior angle. Here it is written angle ABC plus angle BCD equal to 180 degree. ABC means this angle, BCD means this angle, equal to 180 degree. So angle ABC equal to 120 degree, it is given. So put ABC equal to 120 degree. So BCD equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree equal to 60 degree. Next, in the given figure, this is the given figure, SP, these two lines are parallel, SP parallel RQ. Since these two lines are parallel, therefore, and this is the transversal, therefore sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Here it is written angle QRS, this angle plus angle RSP, these two angles is 180 degree. So this angle is given 90 degree. So RSP equal to 90 degree. So this is also 90 degree. Now these two lines are parallel and this is the transversal. So sum of these two angles is also 180 degree, co-interior angle. So one of the angle is known 130 degree plus SPQ equal to 180 degree. So angle SPQ equal to 180 degree minus 130 degree equal to 50 degree. So this is angle 50 degree. Thank you.